Hello, today we will guide you through how to redeem a promo code in Trading212 app. Let's start by opening the Trading212 app or accessing the web app in your browser. Make sure you're signed into the account where you want the promotion to apply and that your connection is stable so changes save correctly. Before you apply a code, you'll need to have one ready. Promo codes can come from official Trading212 promotions, partner or sample sites that publish limited time codes, or from referral programs where sharing an invite generates a unique code. Always check the source is trustworthy and review the terms, such as eligibility, expiry dates, regional restrictions, or minimum requirements. If you're using a referral, confirm that both the sender and recipient meet any conditions listed. With your code handy, here's how to apply it inside the app. Look toward the top of the screen for the menu icon, typically shown as 3 horizontal lines. This is sometimes called the hamburger menu. It's usually located in a corner of the main screen. Tap the 3 lines to open the main menu. You'll see a list of sections for your account and settings. Scroll down through this list until you find the option labeled Use Promo or Use Promo Code. It may be grouped with account or rewards options, so move slowly to avoid missing it. Select Use Promo Code to open the entry screen. You'll see a field where you can type or paste your code. Enter the promo code exactly as it was provided. Be mindful of letters and numbers that look similar. Remove any extra spaces and include hyphens only if they appear in the original format. If you copied the code, double check that no characters are missing at the start or end. Once the code is entered, tap Apply. Give the app a moment to validate it. If the code is valid and you meet the requirements, you should see a confirmation message or the reward reflected in your account, depending on the promotion's design. If you receive an error, review the code for typos, confirm it hasn't expired, and make sure it's intended for your region and account type. If necessary, try re-entering it carefully or use a different eligible code. When issues persist, checking the promotion's terms or contacting support can help clarify next steps. That's it. Open the app, find the menu, choose Use Promo Code, enter your code accurately, and apply it. Keep your code details and terms handy, and you'll redeem your promotion smoothly. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your Trading212 experience.